Hello friends, welcome to MS Electrical. Now I am going to explain transformer oil filtration process and what are the parts contents in transformer oil filtration. Some other day we will see how transformer oil is going to filter in live. Present I am going to explain you only the parts of the transformer oil filter machine. Okay, this is the control panel of the total machine, and here we can see the inlet and outlet. This inlet is connected to the transformer outlet. Okay, and this outlet is connected to the transformer inlet. This outlet will become transformer inlet and this inlet will become transformer outlet. Okay, when transformer oil is coming through inlet, and first it goes to strainer. Whatever the dust particle accumulated in the oil, it will be stopped by some in this there will be one filter. It will stop all dust particles whatever present in the oil, and then it goes to the heating chamber. There you can see heater vessel, that is a heating chamber. There oil will be heated up to whatever the centigrade we have set. Here you can see the thermostater. There we will set the temperature 60 degrees, 70 degrees, like that. We can see the temperature here, okay, in degree Celsius. And after heating the oil up to 60-70 degrees Celsius, it comes to fine filter. In this fine filter, it will filter once again and it goes to pre-filter. Okay, this is fine filter and it is pre-filter. Okay, after completing of the filtration, it will go to degassing chamber. This tank, whatever you are seeing, big tank, it is a degassing chamber. There whatever the moisture and gases present in the oil will be separated in that degassing chamber. Okay, then that moisture and gases, how it will be separated means, we have another equipment that will be in back side. I will show clearly. This is vacuum pump. From this whatever the moisture and gases are in oil, it will be evaporated from this vacuum pump. From this wall it will be evaporated outside. Okay, and this whatever these motors you are seeing, it is used for inlet and outlet pumps. Okay, to take oil incoming. Okay, these are the equipments are present in the transformer oil filtration. And one more thing, one test kit is present in the transformer oil filtration also. You can see here a box present. It is a BDV test kit. Okay, it is 100 kV BDV test kit, and top of it you can see the control panel of this BDV test kit. Okay, these are the complete equipments present in the transformer oil filtration. And some other day we will see this live how the transformer oil going to filter and what is the process. And this is the control panel. First oil will be entering into inlet and it goes to strainer. How I have explained before it, in strainer all the dust particles will be separated and it goes to heating chamber. Okay, in heating chamber there are 3 stages. According to the temperature, we will on the stages of these heaters up to our required temperature levels. And after heating the oil, it goes to pre-filter. Okay, and after filtering in pre-filter, it goes to fine filter. After completion of this filtration, it goes to degassing chamber. In this degassing chamber, already I have explained, it will separate moisture and gases whatever the present in the oil, and whatever present, it will be evaporated through vacuum chamber. Okay, and after evaporating that gases, remaining oil will be passed through inlet valve. Here you can see sample valve. By this valve we can take oil sample for BDV testing, like that. During filtration we cannot take oil sample near a transformer, so we can take oil by this valve. From outlet, oil will be entering into the transformer. This is the overview of transformer oil filtration. Okay, thank you friends, thanks for watching.